So I'm back with another video, and it is a makeup tutorial slash product review. I'm showing you guys how to get this look, which is like my kind of everyday, not that I wear it every day, but like my go-to makeup look. On an everyday basis, I would probably wear a nude lipstick with this look, but I just wanted to wear this really fun color because it's Saturday when I'm filming this. I don't know when this is going to be uploaded. I'm also trying out for the first time during this makeup tutorial the FitMe loose finishing powder, which I just got in the mail today, and I was very excited to try it out. So to see what I think about that and to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. So I already filled in my eyebrows with the ColourPop brow tub thing, pomade I guess you call it, and then I primed my eyes with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and then I set that with this Manna Kadar Beauty translucent setting powder. It's not gonna focus, but yeah. So now I'm gonna go in to the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette, and I'm gonna go in with Bomb Diggity. And I'm just gonna buff that in my crease. I'm trying out a new filming situation, so we'll see how this looks. Let me know what you guys think. Usually I film during the day and I use just natural daylight, but right now it's totally dark outside and I am using a light that came with this selfie stick, like vlogging kit thing for your phone that Kristen got me. So I mean, I'm filming on my phone. It seems like it looks good, but I'll have to see when I go to edit it. Now I'm going in with Cray Cray, and I'm putting that in my crease also. I'm going in with the shade Magical from the Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette. I'm pretty much going back and forth between this one and the Laura Lee palette. And I'm going to use this just to buff out the edges between those two colors. I don't always do this, but why not? It's just so pretty. Now I'm going back into the Laura Lee palette, and I'm going in with the shade Kooky. Going in with the shade Okie Dokie, just to brighten up the inner corner a little bit. Now I'm going into the Dream Street palette again, and I'm gonna take some of the shade Moony. Back in with that brush from before, and I'm gonna take a little bit of Spark from the Dream Street palette and pat that on the center. Subtle difference, but I like it. Just a teensy bit of Sweet Dreams from the Dream Street palette, and I'm going to use my finger. And now my foundation's done. And I'm going in with the NARS concealer, and then I'm going to set it with the new FitMe loose powder that I just got. I'm going to be using this for the first time. Let's hope it goes well. I used the L'Oreal Pro Glow, L'Oreal Infallible? Yeah, Infallible Pro Glow foundation. And I haven't set it yet, obviously. So I look real shiny right now. Okay, now for the powder. I'm nervous. Okay. So far, so good. I'm going to set my T-zone with this also. It certainly looks really nice. And there we have it. Now I'm going to brush it away. Okay, and now for my Pixie bronzer and my Tarte blush. Now moving back to the eyes, I'm going in with the shade Potion from the Dream Street palette. And I'm buffing that on my lash line. Now with a really small fluffy brush, I'm going in with the shade Magical that I used on my crease. And I'm just buffing it out. And I totally forgot, so I'm going in with Moony to highlight my brow bone. So today we are wearing two highlighters, and the first is Mary Luminizer by The Balm Cosmetics, because I have a little baby sample. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that nose highlight. Okay, and now before the second highlighter and before mascara, I'm gonna set my face. And there's dog hair on the nozzle, but I'm using the Morphe setting spray. Let it be known that I fanned myself after setting my face way before Nikki Tutorials did. I love Nikki though, I'm just kidding. But I remember when I saw her video about that, I was like, oh my god, that's crazy, because like I had been doing that and I thought I was the only one that did that. Roller Lash mascara. Pretty sure I'm running out of this. Y'all, I'm so glad that this is almost done because my back is killing me. I'm trying to sit up straight and not slouch. Ironically enough, that's hurting my back more than slouching. Or maybe I was slouching and I didn't know it. I don't know. But my back hurts. Then I'm just gonna put over top a little bit of the Troublemaker mascara by Urban Decay, because I like this one too. And now I'm going to use the Pixie Lower Lash Mascara, but honestly, I'm not sure how I feel about it so far. I feel like the wand is like actually too small. Like just the tiniest bit bigger would have been perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of this highlighter right here from the Tarte, what is it called? Skin Twinkle Volume 2. And the shade Daylight. And just teensy bit. I love the glow. A little up there. So this is the Ultra Satin Lip by Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. And it's Rever. I don't know, it's French. But R-E-V-E-R. With an accent above the first E. I don't remember how she said you have to pronounce it, but it's just this hot orange color and it's awesome. And I don't wear it a lot, even though I love it, so I'm gonna wear it tonight, even though I'm not going nowheres. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this makeup look. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!